Recently, we have started a social media contest and we have been receiving so many great, amazing works from all over the world. Today, I want to make a reaction video that actually show you guys what kind of amazing shorts that they have been sending to us. The first one is about the dolphins shot in Gibraltar. Oh, this is amazing. This is actually the first time I have seen so many dolphins in the same time. Amazing. Isn't it great that you can see so many dolphins with the FIFISH Underwater Robot? You can actually control the FIFISH and to say hi to these amazing creatures. And I love this music. And it feels so chill and calm when you go underwater. Apparently, they are chilling. And thank you, Aaron, to bring us this amazing footage. Next one is from Erwin. Oh, this is okay. So apparently, Erwin dropped his iPhone into an ice cave. And come on, Erwin, you did it on purpose, all right? Ooh, I love the music. And wait, hey, this is our backpack. This is QYSEA backpack. It's amazing. If you don't have one, get one, all right? Okay, here we are under the ice cave. We have seen a saw. They're breaking the ice. I love this shot. Isn't it great? Isn't it beautiful? Use FIFISH robot to find the phone. Okay, this is not iPhone, my bad. It's an Android phone. Congratulations, Erwin, you got your phone back. All right, next one is from Instagram and from Armand, the ROV. Let's have a look. Oh, I love this music. Can we show this music in the video? Won't us be muted? Yeah, guys, listen. We have to stop tossing away our garbage into the sea or rivers. We need to protect our earth, all right? Stop doing that, guys. Socks? Seriously, have you seen the socks? Okay, I think this is amazing and also meaningful because you are using underwater robot to do something good, to clean the garbage over the sea. You can see the water is crystal clear, and yet there's still so many human-made garbage. The t-shirt. Why somebody tossed the t-shirt into the sea? Stop doing this, guys. Okay, the next one from Dragodius. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly. This is a French YouTuber. I have been following him for a while, and he got our V6 Expert, and it's a very high-end machine. It supports the SD card expansion, and also the performance is outrageous. I'm sorry that I don't understand French, so I don't know what exactly he said. But apparently he is at a ancient fort. He is using his robot to do a cave seeking, something like it. He has put the underwater robot into the water. Let's see what he got. Is it just me or everyone think it's scary? Okay, there's a bottle. Is this artificial? Okay, this is so scary. I got so scared. Why this BGM? Seriously, who used this kind of BGM? I'm gonna stop right over here or I'm gonna scare my shit out. And this one is from Myron911. Oh, I love the music. And it's always a chill to see a crab. No, this is not a crab. This is a lobster, right? Isn't he a cutie? Okay, this is great. This one is from Teams FPV and ROV footage. And I have seen this video before in German, which I don't understand German, sorry. But basically, they found a canoe under a quarry lake. So here is the canoe. And I'm not sure how long does it sink underwater. So they use the FIFISH Underwater Robot to bring a rope with a hook underwater to see if they can hook the whole canoe and to drag it out. Come on, you can do it. Come on, please, you can do it. Yeah, this is very hard. You are almost there, teams. No, you can't put it here because this is not solid. I think they are trying to switch to another position. Yeah, they're almost there. Okay, they got it. They got it. Almost there. Almost there. Yes! They got it. They got it. All right. Now the work is just use their bare hand to pull it off. They changed to another position. Yeah, I think this is even more solid. Oh yes, they made it. Check it out. Yeah, it could be dangerous. Promise me if anyone gonna do it, you just need to be careful, all right? Because they are apparently standing on the edge of a cliff and there's snow on it. Could be slipper. All right, but anyway, they made it. They have dragged the canoe out of the water. This is great. This is amazing video. Okay, again, what works that I showed here doesn't means you got the prize. All right, so I have to clarify, it's not up to me. Okay, it's not my decision. But these videos are amazing. And guys, don't forget to participate in our social media contest if you own a FIFISH robot. Because you can win up to $1,000 US. You can see the details below the description. And I think it's very joyful that people from all over the world sending us their works with a FIFISH robot. And they have made some amazing works. And they are actually enjoying use our machines. And also they have been making great content from it. So I don't know. Join us and let us see what kind of content you can take. And also, you don't have to make a perfect video or vlog, perfect editing. It doesn't matter. You can take some photos of the robot and tell us the story. How you enjoy the vacation with your families, or what kind of industry problem the FIFISH robot can solve. Those are amazing content to share. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.